Hello guys, welcome back to another code. Today let's finish the coding part of some of Subarray ranges. Okay, so I have a video explaining the logic behind the solution, so you can watch out that video first and then come back to this video. Okay, so we want to find out the maximum number in the subarray first. So here is the maximum number. And then after finish finding the maximum number, then we're going to finding the minimum number. Okay. And we will use a monadic stack here. So in Python, that's a list. And besides that, in order to find out the maximum number in the stack, and when there are still numbers in the stack, and we want to pop out all of the numbers in the stack, so we have to append a minimum or maximum number in the nums. So in Python, that is float infinity. Okay. So now let's start. And also we want to have the result. So that is the sums of all subarray ranges. So like so we want to check if the stack is not empty, and we want to check whether the numbers in the nums is greater than the top element of the stack. If that is true, we can pop out the top elements of the stack and then find out its right boundary and the left boundary. So what I want to put in the stack is the index of nums instead of the value of nums. So if this one is smaller than the nums, it means I can pop out the element from the stack. And the index, I call it J. And for the right side and the left side boundary, so for the right boundary, because it was popped out by the I, so the right side boundary is I minus 1. And for the left side boundary, that is, it is the next element in the stack, if the stack is not empty. And I have a +1. So if the stack is empty, then I use the 0 index. And then I want to have the numbers in J multiplied by the number of subarrays. So that is numbers of J and multiplied by that is the number of subarrays. So we have I minus J plus 1 and multiplied by J minus L plus 1. Okay, and then after that, we want to append or push our new element into the stack. Okay, so that is the part of finding the maximum number, and now we're moving to finding the minimum number. Okay, so we want to clear our stack. And so here we append infinity number, but so we have to move that number and then append a minimum number. And for the other part, that is almost the same as the finding the maximum number, but with the opposite logic. So we want to pop out the elements in the stack if that element is greater than our current the nums of I. Okay, and here we want to change it to minus because the range is the difference between the largest and smallest. So the smallest, we want to subtract that smallest from the result. And that's all. So we can return the result. Okay, now let's run the code. So we have some error here. Okay, so here I should just append the index. Okay. Okay, great. And let's submit. Okay, you pass. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you next time.